Dude, those are like 40s.
Yeah, I see you, girl.
Travel on your own on a bedroom trip.
What's up, everybody, man? So as you can see, we made it. I'm all parked up. So this is my boy Drew car. He run Camaro. Comment below if you want to see this on the channel, man. Check him out. Yeah, he clean over there. V8. And then you got Red right here, man, posted up. But also you got all the way across, man, as y'all can see. That's my water. Oh, no. You sure? I'm positive. Oh, I know you did. Oh, it was your water. Oh. Man, I drank his water. I know, I already know. Oh, man, I drank his water. Yeah, for real. Man, I want to, so all these cars running? How you doing, puppy? Well, look at the tires on this man's car. Look at the tires. Boy. Look at the tires on this thing, man. Got full racing seats in here. Hey, look, he got an iPad in here, bro. He got an iPad? iPad, steering wheel removed. Look at this. Look at the tires. Let's go. Man. Oh, that hard. God, he might be. It's an SS too.
Hey, I see you, girl.
She gone. So look. It says, look at that. She gone.
Why do you run the skinnies like? I've never seen it before.
Yeah.
You don't want them heavy tires.
Heavy tires on the front.
You're not going to use the tires on the front.
You can see behind me right here. We already lined up to get one going, get the race going. I'm not sure I'm gonna race. I actually right here, the F-250. Did he want to race? His first time out here, my first time out here. I think you get to choose who you race your. If you can line up somebody the first time, you get to pick who you want to race. But if not, I don't know how it is. But Red right here, got another F-150. So the truck category, how it goes, it's just one category for everybody. You don't really get to like with the cars, they got like mod, heavy mod, super mod, like turbos. It's broken down by class and engine size, but for the trucks, it's all just one category. So I could be racing a supercharged truck, a turbocharged truck, heavy modified, it don't matter. You just in the truck category. So, but I'll show y'all what they got here. I seen a few of these guys out here last year. This truck pretty fast too. And you go all the way up, you can tell some of these guys are modded out here for sure. Like these little things. You got a stock F-150 over there. 250 diesel. Yeah, so you see everybody getting lined up right now. Oh, I'm sorry, going down. Got the whole family in the Porsche. They racing. You guys see them? So yeah, so I'm gonna go over this way real quick. And the truck should go on. The Porsche sound nice actually. CTS V. Over here, so. But yeah, so this is usually the V8 is usually the longest running section, as you can see. It goes all the way down here, all the way back. So they're actually doing a warm-up lap right now, if you can see on the screen. Dude, those are like 40s. Shoot. Nah, he's racing, clock shots. Got the stars in the roof, see the interior? He clean.
Not doing buybacks.
All right, guys, so we headed to the driver meeting right now. Go up and see what they're talking about here in a second. But you see some of the cars. HRT, M2. These. This shit bad. Oh my goodness. Man, what the fuck? Bro, we got the forged wheels, forged mega wheels. This thing is nasty. Holy shit. Oh, this is nasty. This drop is. Yeah. Can I get the downpipe? Huh? He said I gotta get the downpipe. This your truck?
No.
Oh. Look at this shit. He said, you say what? He's look at this shit, man. Oh. So these are horns, bro. Those train horns, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This thing is nasty, dude. Oh my God. Bro, how do you even get up here? He got power steps? Yeah, he do. Gee. Woo-wee.
Bro, you gotta take a running start to get
Dog, this is nasty. He did this. This is done right. So I'm getting that next to white lights. Oh, look at this. Let me get this. Ooh. Damn. Ooh. I see y'all. Bro, that's stupid. That's stupid. How y'all doing? Range Rover. That's Brielle dream car. Like, this is crazy though, bro. This. I'm getting the white lights next though. Oh, this is nasty. Okay, all right, guys. Y'all want to check him out on Instagram? Check him out at Mr. Butts. Viper. Skyline GTR. Ooh, this is pretty. I like that. Yep, this him, Mr. DB. Let me see her get up here. Let's see if she get up here. Is she gonna get up? Yeah. And I think this is the guy just branded, man. You know what I'm saying? His shit is clean too. On IG. I'ma tag him in it. Ooh-wee. Yeah, he got the I think he got the Fury off-road tires, the Archon wheels. This thing is just clean. Clean. Yeah, man. So these two nice trucks, man. Mr. DB, what's up, Bob? Hey, what's up, man? I met y'all last time, right? Yeah, what's going on?
Not much.
Y'all chilling? You got the truck out here? Yes, sir. That's a good race right there. The black one. I would have lost anyway, bro. I would have lost anyway. I like that ramp on that Mustang. He was reeling him in.
Yeah, his sister's home from college. Probably doesn't know he's in it.
That was a good race. Camaro moving. Look at that. Sheesh.
Operator error.
Yeah.
Give it to Victor Garza.
That skyline ain't nothing to play with, boy.
Get out of there.
He had it. He had it. He lost it. Oh, he just rolled off. Oh, that was a tie. That might have been a tie. I don't know about that one. They like
Seeing some upsets tonight.
Oh! He had it. He lost it. That was a hell of a race, though. That Corvette is nasty, bro.